Soft and pillowy with the flavor of your favorite butter birthday cake, these homemade marshmallows are an easy treat that everyone is going to love. Join me today in the Playdates to Parties kitchen as we make sprinkle-coated birthday cake marshmallows. Start by gathering these ingredients. For the marshmallow coating, you're going to need 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1/4 cup cornstarch. For the gelatin mixture, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons cold water, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoons butter extract, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, and 3 packs unflavored gelatin. For the syrup, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup water, 1/2 cup corn syrup, and 1½ cups granulated sugar. And don't forget, plenty of rainbow sprinkles too. Let's start with preparing your pan. Crisscross 2 sheets of parchment paper in a 9 by 9 inch pan. Make sure your parchment is long enough to go up and over the sides of the pan. Crease the parchment in the bottom corners. I recommend adding a bit of cooking spray between the layers to help hold your parchment paper in place. Add a light coat of butter-flavored spray to the top layer of parchment. Finally, prepare a rubber spatula and an offset spatula with butter-flavored spray and set aside. Next, let's make the coating. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1/4 cup cornstarch. Use a fine mesh sieve to sprinkle a small amount of the coating mixture onto the bottom of your prepared pan. Now it's time to prepare the gelatin. Using the bowl of a stand mixer, stir together your cold water, vanilla, butter flavor, and almond extracts. Sprinkle 3 envelopes of unflavored gelatin on top of the liquid mixture. Set aside to bloom. Now it's time to make the syrup. In a 3-quart or larger saucepan, combine water, corn syrup, and granulated sugar. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Allow the mixture to boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not stir the syrup as it boils. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes to come to temperature. Now let's bring it all together. Add a small amount of the hot syrup to the gelatin mixture and whisk on low until combined. Slowly add the remaining syrup. Then increase the mixer speed to high and beat until tripled in volume and fluffy. This should take about 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon rainbow sprinkles to the mixture and combine on low speed until they are distributed throughout. Using the rubber spatula you sprayed earlier, scrape the marshmallow mixture into the parchment-covered pan. Smooth out the top with the offset spatula. Cover the top of the marshmallows with rainbow sprinkles and set aside to dry for at least 3 hours at room temperature. When the marshmallow is set, pull the block out of the pan using the sides of the parchment paper. Place on a cutting board and use a serrated knife to cut the marshmallow into 1 to 2 inch squares. You may want to keep warm water handy to rinse off the knife between cuts. Finally, toss the marshmallows in the remaining powdered sugar mixture. Now your birthday cake marshmallows are ready to enjoy. Add them to your s'mores, put them out for kids at a party, or use them to top treats like hot chocolate and milkshakes. However you choose to enjoy your homemade birthday cake marshmallows, you'll always feel like you're celebrating. Thanks so much for joining me in the Playdates to Parties kitchen today. I'll see you again soon for another DIY party project.